Hey gun enthusiasts, this is Cazz with ALTAIR TV. But if you are close, okay, as you're taking shots, as you transition to the other side, John, what you did was this, okay? The problem with that is, as I come to bear on the open side of the barricade, what's in front of my face? My gun in my hands, okay? What's wrong with this? Okay, I got to bring it back up, and if there was someone on the other side, I can lock you down. Make sense? You want to keep that muzzle oriented toward your threat. Just remember the high ready position. Boom, I turn and look, and I can shoot. Failure to scan before reholstering, failure to do right. Using the F word in front of the instructor, failure to do right. That's it. Move in. Nice, Juan. Move in. All right, take him, take him. Nice. Nice run, Juan. Thanks for watching ALTAIR TV. You want to see more videos? Check out our website.